Hello everyone, how are you? I am Arvind and welcome to our channel. Last time we discussed what is a database. I will leave their link, you can watch it again. And today we are going to discuss advantages of a database, primary key, foreign key and different type of a data type. These are very important topic, so stay with us. And without wasting time, let me start. We discuss advantages of a database management system. Its first advantage is data sharing. Mean to say, with the help of a database, we can share our data with the applications as well as the websites, and it is very useful feature. Second one is better security. This database management system provides better security, and it also provides limited access, so we can save our data in a good hand. Third advantage is data integrity. Data integrity mean to say, like we have a school's database and we are giving marks out of 100, so no one can enter marks more than 100, so this is called data integrity. And fourth advantage is it provides backup and recovery, and by mistake if our data gets deleted or we need a backup, so we can recover our database very easily. Well, there are some advantages and there are a few disadvantages also. First is it is costly. For installing this database management system we need hardware as well as software. Second disadvantage is training. So for using fully this software we need little training to use it professionally. Now let me discuss what is a primary key. And before starting primary key, I want to focus over 2 points. First one is a field name, second one is an attribute. So see, you see table on your screen. There is an employee ID, Aadhaar number, employee name, job, salary and department. Well, see, in each column there is a heading. So like employee ID, employee name, Aadhaar number, these are headings, and technically these are called fields. So see, in this table we have a total, I think, employee ID, Aadhaar number, employee name, job, salary and department. There are 6 fields. So these 6 fields are called attributes. Remember it. So I think now it is clear what is a field name and what is an attribute. Good. Now come to primary key. As you see on this table, we need one field that will help us to get a record of all the employees. So for example, we take a record of employee name. So there would be a chances there are 2 people who have a same name. So this employee name is not going to help us to get a record of particular person. Now we take an example of employee ID, and see, there is each employee has a unique ID and we cannot leave it empty. So this is the right field to make a primary key. So what is a primary key? Actually, primary key help us to get a record in a table. And one more thing, there is only one primary key in a table. Then what is the property of a primary key? There are 2 main properties of a primary key. Primary key has a unique value, mean to say it does not hold duplicate value. Second, it does not remain empty. So this is the primary key. Now let me discuss foreign key. As its name sounds, foreign keys mean to say anyone who doesn't belong to our country, who belongs to other country. So see, in this table, like we have an employee ID, Aadhaar number, employee name, job, salary and department number. And here department number actually doesn't belong to this table, it belongs to other table, and department number is the primary key of another table. You can see there is department number, department name and location. So actually what foreign key is doing here? Foreign key actually helps to set up a relationship among the tables. So this is a foreign key. Now let me discuss data type. Data type mean to say, just let me see our table. We had a employee ID, Aadhaar number, employee name and other fields. Now come to employee ID. So here we will enter numbers. Now come to employee name. Here we will enter in alphabets. So alphabets, numbers are called data type. One more thing, if we have a date of joining of the employee, then we will enter date. So the type of values that we are going to enter in a table, that is called database. So when we talk about database management system, there are different type of a database. First one is a number. As you know, number 1, 2, 3, 4. So this data type is used to enter number, and we can enter number without decimal as well as with the decimal also. Next one is a character. Character mean to say alphabets. When we talk about characters, there are two type of a variable. First one is a char, C-H-A-R, char, and we define size like a char 10, char 20. So char variable is used, and when we want to enter alphabets in a fixed length, so there its a size does not shrink according to the requirement. Second character is varchar. It means variable character. So when we declare its size, so it is a flexible, it can change its size according to requirement. Next data type is a date. As its name sounds, we can enter time, we can enter date, month and year. Next data type is a boolean. You know, sometimes we need to enter values like a yes, no, only two options. In that situation we use boolean. So yes means 1, no means use, and no means 0. So these are the few type of a data that are used in a database. Just now we discussed advantages of a database, primary key, foreign key and different type of a database. And you have watched till now, and there is one bonus for you. Bonus is composite key. You know, everyone gets confused about composite key, and let me discuss what is a composite key. Just remember that table where we had a employee ID, Aadhaar number, employee name, job, salary and department, and we had declared employee ID as a primary key. Now just see here, Aadhaar number holds the same qualities of a primary key. Aadhaar number is unique and we do not leave it empty. So see here actually two fields holds the characteristics of a primary key. But you know, in a table we can make only one field as a primary key, that we have made employee ID. So second field which has the same property as a primary key, that is called composite key. So in this table your Aadhaar number is the composite key. I will leave a link in a description from where you can get a complete note of this topic, as well as I'll leave one more link from where you can get a complete notes of all chapter. And on which topic you want next video, please comment below, and also like and subscribe this channel if you want to get more videos on this topic. So next time I will come with a new topic. Till then, bye bye.